Hey everyone, my name is Ishan, and in today's video we are going to be unboxing my new iPad Pro 12.9 inch cellular 1TB. I have sort of like opened it a bit, but I haven't really. But yeah, this is the 12.9 inch 1TB 6th generation M2 Wi-Fi plus cellular. I am very excited because it's going to be my new iPad for school. I also have the Apple Magic Keyboard and also the Apple Pencil. I'm in my room now. I would have filmed downstairs, but you know, I can't be bothered and I don't want to go down. So let's start with the unboxing. I'm going to unbox the iPad first in front of you guys, but a bit of background. I am a big Apple fan. I've currently got the iPad Pro, not M1, not like just the iPad Pro. Maybe it's M1, I don't think so. But this is it. This I actually got for £400 ages ago when it came out on Amazon Prime. But this, I'm so thankful. Apple, thank you so much for sending me the new iPad, and let's unbox it. So I have sort of opened it a bit, so it's not really a real unboxing, but it's the space grey model. How do I get it out easily? I don't want to like... It is the space grey model. And here it is. Inside of the box we have the pamphlet thingy. Does it have the Apple? Does it have Apple stickers? Apple stickers, please, no, yes. It does come with the cellular thingy thing, but I don't really think I'll be using that because I've got unlimited data on my phone, so I just hotspot. And yes, it does come with the Apple stickers. Yay, my favourite thing about it. So let's just put it back in and let's get on with the process of setting it up. It also comes with a new cable, which I really like. It is the embroidered cable, so my thingy it won't break, which is good. But yeah, I don't know if my phone is still recording, so give me a sec. Oh no, it is recording. It's fine. And of course this this charger. I need so many more of these because I just don't have any. So let's now boot the iPad on. Look how nice it looks. It's brand new. It looks amazing. Let's boot it on. Can't see anything. Oh yeah, it's turned on. I would get a screen protector. I need one actually. I don't want one, I need one because I don't want to get scratches on it. But yeah, I'm gonna open the Apple Pencil as, oh, it started. Hello. English, United Kingdom. This actually looks so cool. It's so big as well, which is so nice. Quick start. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near this. Right, that's a problem because I have to do it manually. Because the other iPad is not fully charged. So yeah, let me quickly add my Wi-Fi password in. This, honestly, I'm so excited. In the meanwhile, whilst I set that up, I'm going to unbox the Apple Pencil, which I have not unboxed. Lovely. The thing is with the Apple Pencil, I always keep losing the nib, so I need to buy an extra set of nibs for the pencil. And how do I open it? Do I just, yeah, pull it out. Lovely. Oh, the iPad, set up Face ID. Let's do that quickly. Position the frame. Bring up. Move iPad a little lower. I'm doing that. This is not fair. Why are you working? Move iPad lower. There we go. And there we go. The Face ID is complete. Let's do a quick password. Anyway, so I'm just setting the iPad up. It's at 75%. But anyway, do I recommend an iPad Pro for university or for sixth form? 100% yes. I've been using the iPad Pro, the older version, for a long time now for all of my notes. I specifically use GoodNotes. It is the biggest lifesaver ever because like I don't need to like make any notes on paper. I don't need to do like all of that stuff. So it really is a lifesaver. But let's get back to opening these. Let's get back to opening this pencil. Lovely. Does it? It probably doesn't come with Apple stickers, does it? Nope. I'm gonna leave that because I know how the pen works. It is the new pen, which is really, really nice. I cannot lose this because I lost the other one. Latest backup, it was on the 10th of January. Let's do that. Let's connect the pen to the iPad. Please work. Right, I don't know my Apple Pay. Stop asking me. I don't want to add Apple Pay to this. Come on. Again, I don't want to add this card. It's going to ask me to add all of my cards to Apple Pay. I don't want to add that card. Nope. I don't want to add that card. Nope. Continue. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, what's the weather like today? I'm going to do it later because it's just going to set all of my laptop. Not now. Share with Apple, share with app developers, and it's going to restore from iCloud. So next we are going to unbox the keyboard, which again, I already have one of these, but for my old one, it actually has a really cool case on it. Let's open. Amazing. How do I open it now? Do I just... Yes, there we go. Now that is the smell. It smells so good. You don't even understand. And I love the way that... I actually love the keyboard on this. Does this come with Apple? Does this come with Apple stickers? Maybe, maybe not. I doubt it. Yeah, no, it doesn't. That's quite sad. It's fine. But oh my god, I actually love the keyboard. My typing speed is really, really good on the keyboard. So let's add it on. Now that is the complete iPad. Looks amazing. I am in love with it. This is going to be my new iPad for sixth form. But yeah, that's the unboxing done. I will make another video like this, but essentially giving you my tips and tricks when using the iPad for school, how I use my iPad at sixth form, whether I'll be switching from the iPad, which I will not be because that's 100% sure. I love Apple. I am true to Apple. I'm a big Apple supporter. But I will also go through the differences between this iPad here, which is my older iPad, and my new iPad here. Both are very, very good. This one's just a little bit more expensive. I think this is around 2,000. This was 400 on the sale. This wasn't on sale. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Do I recommend an iPad? 100% yes, especially if you're in sixth form. I hate carrying around all of these books around when I have an iPad to do it all for me, and it's so light as well. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. It would mean a lot if you guys could subscribe if you could, and perhaps I will be starting some more content tech related, I don't know. But yeah, have a great day guys. See you in my next video. Bye.